Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Many times users some changes into projects or tasks of the projects that which is assigned to her or him. So using this our application, user can easily create change request regarding task. So let's see about it how to work it. You can see here our module, then project change request. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects. See here this menu change request. Create your request. Add date. Request by Michelle admin. Add project like office design. And task is room to decoration. Add your subject. Change design. In description. Not perfect. Let's save. Now see here this menu submit to manager, click on. So easily move draft to submitted and easily send mail. See here request by Mr. Admin. Project is office design. Manager is mark demo and subject change design. Now confirm this. So again move submit to confirm and send mail for this confirmed. Now process. So easily move on confirm to process and again send mail. Now I want to print this request PDF report. Now printed your PDF report is change request. Thank you.